Hey cousins, I'm super excited today. I have something to announce that I just got in the mail. First, I want to thank Nikki Deventhal and Life with Anthony for introducing me to this company. As many of you may know or may not know if you're new to this channel, I'm setting off on my first car camping adventure as a solo female traveler and adventurer in 60 days or less than 60 days. So I've been trying to get products that'll help me prepare for that for the long haul. And today, about 20 minutes ago, I got my Jackery. I haven't opened it yet, so this will be the unboxing. I purchased the new 200 watt or 2000, excuse me, and the solar panel package. I really try when I find products that I like from an influencer to purchase through their app, through their affiliate link, because it won't cost me any more money. And if it helps somebody else out, why not? I appreciate it, and they actually did send me to the product, so make sure you support your favorite content creators. So I can already tell that this Jackery is very heavy, so I'm gonna have to stand up to pull it out of the box, I think. I might can put it on this side. Let's see. Let's see. Might stand up. Here it is. The Jackery Explore 2000 Pro. So like I said, this is new, never opened, or I've never opened it. My family knows I'm always looking for a deal, so I couldn't find a good priced used one. Not the 2000, because I know that just came out. But I was really looking for any of them, but I figured. Also heard from the other tiny house van life person I follow, I can't remember his name, I'll put it on the screen, whose advice was to buy as much solar as you can afford. Now I financed this through, I think it was Karma, or what was it? It was through the Popular Finance app. So I only paid $900 up front, and then I'll pay the rest over time. So it says, open step. Okay, I thought it was giving me instructions. Here it is. So I bought it with the solar panel, so I believe it comes with the attachments. I know that's not standard on this model, and some people have mentioned that. Life with Anthony mentioned some people were upset about that, but this one came with it. In here, the user manual, and some stickers. 3 stickers. So that's what comes in this envelope. Put those to the side. This is, I believe, the solar power adapter, or it might just be the cigarette lighter, the car charging solar, and solar cannot be charged with products simultaneously. Okay, so you can't charge it and the solar panels simultaneously. This is the power cord. So here's the big mama. Let me scoot the camera back. That is heavy. Here is the brand new Jackery Pro 2000. So you'll see it has 3 of the AC 120 volt, has the standard siege chargers that are good for Androids. It's good for me because I have an Android and you have your USB ports. This is a light. Oh, it already has some charge on it. And here is the, I don't know what this, 12 volt or the cigarette lighter. We traditionally call it a cigarette lighter. So right now, if you can see, its arrival, it came with 16% battery. There's no input and there's no output. We have our Jackery plugged in. I'm going to come back and test how far it's gotten in 15 minutes. Remember, we're at 16%. Then I'll come back in increments of 15. We're back to check on our Jackery after 15 minutes. The first 15 minutes. So you'll see, I almost fell over this chair. Lord have mercy. That's why I need to be outside. It's hazardous to my health to be inside. You see it's plugged in. Let's see where it is. After 15 minutes, it's at 39%. So it went up 23% in 15 minutes. We'll be back. We're back after our second 15 minutes, so it's been 30 minutes so far. And it's at 57%. The input is 1,497 for the most part. So it's 1 o'clock. It's been 45 minutes. Let's come out here and check see how far we've gotten. I'll press the display. 63%. Can you see that? Why has the input gone down? I'm not sure. I'm not a technical person. Somebody tell me in the comments. But it's still charging, and I'm still excited. We're back after an hour, so we're going to check to see where our Jackery is. Right now, our Jackery has been charging for an hour. It's at 74%. But see, the input is back up. Maybe I should rip it. It literally says rip off. After an hour, it's at 74%. This is a plug outside on the patio, so it might not be as strong. I'm going to come back tomorrow and do an update video because I just purchased the solar power, the adapter you needed for the solar power, and we'll test that out. But for right now, 75%. Come back in another 15 minutes. We're back at it. I think it's actually been 95 minutes because I got caught watching YouTube and American Greed, but we're gonna see. %. So this has a little bit more to go. I'm sure it's probably because of this plug is not giving consistent electricity. But once it's powered up, I'm going to do a test to see how long it will power certain things. So after 90, maybe 93 minutes, it's at 92%. I'll let it get fully charged to 100, and then I'm going to see how long it takes to charge or use down to 50% on different items. But I'm super excited. I ordered the solar power adapter. It should be here tomorrow. What's this on my lip? Oh no. But I ordered the solar power adapter, so it'll be here tomorrow, and then I'm going to check and see after I do the test on these two appliances in this apartment how long it takes for it to charge it back up with the solar panel. So see you next video. Thanks for watching. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe below. And as always, cousins, with a whole lot of laughter and lots of love, it's JK.